Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is another video about this Yamaha MT125 2020 plate. You see my previous videos how to remove the petrol tank fairings, also the petrol tank himself, rear fairings, brake pedal, complete exhaust, how to clean it and put it back step by step. From every single bike I make from 5 to 20 videos. I got loads of different brands coming up already on my channel, and it will be on the future as well. And this video going to be about the front removal, the headlight, the speedo and these little fairings in here. And also, if we get the chance, I will show you how to remove the steering bar, which will come off in case anyways, maybe the next video if not this one. And also this boy in here, as you see, I really don't know what you call it, but that piece will come off. And yes, so let's crack on and remove all this headlight, all this front off. Okay, first of all, what we're going to do, we will remove this little fairing in here on the front of the speedo. And also the second thing, we're going to remove these two, actually this big boy in here. Also maybe these little fairings on the left and the right side, as well as two little boys in there. But first of all, we're going to get this front one off. Also this will come off in the same time, I reckon, and then we're gonna remove all these big boys in here from each side, so I reckon the headlight will come off. And for these four boys I use just an Allen key. You can use a drill or whatever is you got. Make sure the screws and the bolts and everything you put separate, you don't lose them, because they have to go back on in case anyway. So that one comes off very easy, as we suspect. Now we got the three little boys in here to remove this fairing up there, and let's drop on with this one then. Lovely, so you see the two pieces off, and it was honestly simple as. A couple of boys in here and there, and as we see, actually the speedo, we got one in here, two and a three. We're gonna remove all these three boys in here, and I give you 100% we're gonna be able to actually get the speedo off. I know there is a cable in here, it's been connected, but as soon as we're gonna get these three boys, we're gonna be able to remove the speedo from the bike. Let's crack on with that. Three boys are off, and it should actually slide out with these little pins in here. And just to show you, as you see, there is a cable going to the speedo with a little rubber on the top, protector rubber. So what you do in here, I try to do my best because I can't hold the camera. See the little pins? Boom, just pull out, and your speedo actually is off. And you see, it honestly takes probably 3 minutes to do it. So let's go. So now what we're going to do, we're going to try remove these boys in here, one another side. In case it ain't going to work, we're going to remove these two boys in here as well, this fairing little one. So let's try to do the best. One is off. We've got another one this side in here. Oops. As you see, actually the headlight came out, removing these two boys in here. And we got number 3 thing in here, which is put on. Let me show you. As you see, that's actually adjuster, the height adjuster. It's a screw up there. Hopefully you see it in the video, just up there. And I'll show you anyway in a second. To remove that bottom piece, we use a positive screwdriver. successful to remove it. And right, so what we got in here, little bits and bobs like this, the little plugs for the LEDs on the front. We got just these plugs like this. I just remove them off. I can't show you them nicely properly in the video because I have to hold the camera, but this is a right and left LED in here, and this boy comes from the main headlight, just like that, and ta-da, boom, we got headlight off. So that's basically nearly your front is done, but we're not going to give up in here. Also, what I actually want to remove is these plastic fairings in here. As we see, actually there is some bolts each side, one in here as far as I see, so one in here and one up there.